We have 3 huge announcements coming out of Milwaukee Tool. 2 are PACKOUT based, 1 is going to make you more effective and comfortable on the job. Let's start out with Milwaukee's new Rolling Tool Chest. You're able to transport 2 PACKOUT stacks onto the job site. This new addition enables users to store larger tools and equipment while providing the ability to transport 2 PACKOUT stacks onto the site with the new dual stack top. Featuring industrial grade and 9-inch all-terrain wheels, this tool chest can be rolled anywhere on the job site. Now, we've seen this previously and we covered it somewhat extensively. It was believed that the toolbox would have a price of $199, but because of price increases that we've talked about that were going to occur after July 1st, the official price is $229. Launch date September 2021. Let's move on to the offering that's going to make you more productive and comfortable on the job site. Because Milwaukee Tool is expanding their lineup of workwear with the highly anticipated introduction of heavy-duty flex work pants. I'm getting me a pair of these. I'm telling you right now, providing comfort and mobility for long days and tough conditions without sacrificing durability. The new heavy-duty flex work pants are built to outlast the job. They have free flex mobility, which is built in. The broken-in fabric allows for free movement with the user, preventing stiffness and discomfort. In addition, Milwaukee is updating their WORKSKIN offering with the new WORKSKIN Midweight Base Layer. You can see here those heavy-duty flex work pants have multiple product numbers and sizes. They're $49.97. The WORKSKIN Midweight Base Layer also has multiple sizes. It's $39.97. They have an anticipated launch date of August 2021. And finally, the hugest of the huge announcements is that Milwaukee's adding a new deep organizer to the PACKOUT system. You can see it's going to be fully customizable interior. The new organizer provides users with another versatile and durable solution for storing large fittings and accessories. It's got a 50-pound weight capacity, quick adjust dividers, and a depth of 5.5 inches to customize internal compartments to fit users' needs. That means that PACKOUT has 35 solutions to help users customize their modular tool storage system. This deep organizer has a price of $64.97 and it will launch August 2021. And if you like having fully customizable tool storage solutions, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. Doesn't cost you a dime. And it's not like smashing a mirror. Here on YouTube, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Leave it down below. What is your favorite of the new huge tool announcements out of Milwaukee Tool? Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.